Hello guys, from my last video, people were asking me how I made the video of the screen recording of my screen. So this video is going to teach you how to make a recording of your screen as a video so that you can post it to your students for asynchronous learning so that you don't really have to teleconference with them face to face, but you can send them a pre-recorded video. Okay, so for this particular exercise, right, I'm going to be using a program called Loom. Okay, so if you look with me at the screen right now on the browser, I'm just going to search for this program called Loom. And when I search for it, it will open up this particular website where the company has prepared this screen recording software for us. Now, you just click Get Loom for free. And you just use your ACS Bucker account to sign up for Loom. Now, if you do so with your ACS Bucker account, you are going to get a free pro service. Okay, so if you click, by the way, I'm using Sing's laptop for this because I already have one on my computer. So if you use your ACS Bucker account and you just go all the way until the bottom, you can just agree to all the terms like we always do. Sorry, let me just put all this. Then I agree. And you just give it a while. All right, so after you agree, they will show you this particular page where you just click the icon where you're educator. And now I would recommend that you actually install the Chrome extension here rather than the desktop app. And SSOE has already allowed permission for the Chrome extension here. So you just click install extension here, and it'll prompt you to go to the Chrome Web Store. You just add to Chrome over here, and just add the extension. Now give it a while to download, and then when you actually add the extension, right, it will pop up on the top right hand corner of your browser. It should pop up soon. Yes. So here it will inform you that Loom for Chrome has been added to Chrome. Okay. If you want to sync all your extension on your computers, you can turn on sync, but we don't really need to. Okay. Now that you have done so, you just need to click on this particular little icon here, Loom for Chrome. But I'm going to use another web page first. I'm going to go back to the Google home page. Now, when I click on this little icon here, okay, you will ask me for access to my microphone and camera recording. So you just give it access, allow. Okay, so now you're ready to start Loom, and you will see this page over here when you open this icon. You'll see this over here. This is the Loom recording software. Okay, I'm going to continue with my laptop after this. Okay, now I'm back and I'm on my own laptop. So now if you have installed Loom from the previous part of the video, you can open it up now and I'll show you how to actually record a video. It's very, very straightforward. So if you open this up now, you'll see that my face is on the bottom left. The Loom program actually saves your face as your webcam as a circle. And if you really, really want your students to see your face in a very big screen, you can increase the size, but I'm not a fan of that. So you can decide for yourself. You can even move the webcam video around according to your own preference. So once you have clicked on the Loom for Chrome extension, you'll see this little box here and they'll ask you for what kind of screen you want to record. So there are a few options. You can record your screen and your webcam. You can record the screen only, or you can record your camera only. And I suspect very few of us want to do that. Just click full desktop so that you can capture everything that's going to happen on your SSOE screen, and click start recording. Once you do so, they will ask you whether you want to record your entire screen or just your application window. We will just go with your entire screen. You click on it, and after that, you press share. And they'll give you a countdown before it actually starts the video so that you can actually prepare yourself, comb your hair, whatever you need to do. Okay, so here they will tell you at the bottom that Loom for Chrome is sharing your screen so that you know that your screen is currently being recorded and whatever you say is currently being recorded. Now that you are actually recording your screen, right, everything that's happening on your laptop will be viewable in the video that you record. So for example, if I just minimize it now and I just open uh, any random PDF file, from my last video, I mentioned that we can actually use our stylus to actually draw on the screen. Now, this is useful if we are actually recording our screen so that the students can actually see what we are writing. I think this is particularly useful for the math and maybe mother tongue teachers. So let's say if I want to draw something, I open up my comments and I click on the pen function and then I just write something that I want. Okay, and I can decrease. I might not have mentioned this the previous time, but I can increase or decrease the line thickness. I think it's useful for mother tongue also because I think you can write your Chinese characters and the students will be able to see what you're actually writing. So, for example, this is my surname. That is how you integrate the use of the stylus into your screen recording. Now, if I go back to my browser, I can actually record anything I want on my screen. So if I go to any other web page, it'll be recording all the while. If let's say I go to SLS, it'll be recording throughout the whole video, which websites I visit, which applications I use. So be very careful. You don't want to accidentally open up a file, a confidential file like an exam document when you're recording your screen. Okay. So now that you have actually recorded some parts of your screen, if you want to end the recording, you will just go to this button here and press stop sharing. Once you do that, it will actually automatically save the video for you. And I feel that this is quite useful because there are a few things you can do with the video here. You can immediately copy a link to share your video online or over WhatsApp. You can rename your video. You can download your video after they have finished processing it. So, for example, now they are done. If I press download over here, you'll actually download a video file for me and I can send it over to the students. Okay. There are some other useful options as well. I can actually um, trim the video. So for example, if I felt my video was too long just now, I can press the trim function and I press start trimming and I can select which part of the video that I want to actually crop out or keep. So I think this is a pretty useful function for screen recording. Once you're done, you just return to your video here and then after that you can just save and download all the video. Okay, I think uploading to YouTube is no issue. If you need help, you can look for me. And if you want more videos on how to actually prepare for home-based learning, just let me know and I'll create more for you. Okay, see you all. Bye bye.